I'm Zoe Heyman. Nice to meet you all. It was a really great panel. So my question is really around climate change, ESG, and for those who don't know what ESG stands for, it stands for environmental, social, governance. It's a huge movement happening throughout all levels of commercial real estate. So I'm just interested as to how that's changed, your way of thinking about developing, how maybe that might be changing the way you underwrite deals, on the financing side. So if you could just talk a little bit about that.
I'll start and then I'll let you add on. I'd say my perspective with ESG right now is it's a corporate governance mandate. It's being driven by institutional investors, particularly pension funds, right? They're the ones that are people who are in the pension funds, they're saying we want to make sure that we're invested in ESG responsible companies and investments, and they're driving the real estate funds to look at ESG. So where I see ESG right now is it's at the institutional 10,000 square foot level, 10,000 foot level, right? So large REITs, Blackstone, BlackRock, your Prologuses of the world, they're talking to their ESG consultants, they're talking about how to make their property sustainable and such. Large Class A office buildings, they're certainly wanting sustainability. It's how they're attracting tenants. What I would say, though, is as you come down to the middle market or you get down to the individual investor, it's not really at that point yet, right? The middle market is maybe seeing a bit of influence there. They are able to take advantage of some financing, particularly maybe green rewards financing on the multifamily side from Fannie and Freddie. But you don't see banks right now advertising, hey, we've got an ESG debt product, and if you come to us with a sustainable 8-unit, we're going to give you 20 bips better rate. So from the individual investor side, it hasn't quite reached that level, but it's something for investors to be aware of, because we talk about opportunities in the market, and one of those is 1031 exchange buyer. If I can have someone who's influenced by something other than just pure return, maybe I could get a better price. Well, if you're in that middle market space and you've bought a piece of real estate, maybe if you do make some ESG type improvements, when you go to sell that, maybe you can upsell that to the type of investor who does have that concern and get a premium on your pricing. But again, for the most part, it's at a high level and working its way out.